Hello again! In this video, we will look at one of the most important verbs in English and in Estonian, the verb to be, olema. Let's look at the verb forms in the present tense. Please pay attention to the endings of the verb. The ending is different for every person in Estonian. Ma olen mees, I am a man. Sa oled mees, you are a man in singular. Ta on mees, he is a man. Me oleme mehed, we are men. Te olete mehed, you are men in plural. Nad on mehed, they are men. We can also ask questions using the verb to be. Kes ta on? Who is he? Who is she? Ta on õpetaja. He is a teacher. She is a teacher. Kes sa oled? Who are you? Mina olen õpilane. I am a student. Kes olete teie? Who are you? Thank you for watching.